Here's what knowing code really gives you. It's the ability to spot right from wrong. Let me show you what I mean. This drain pipe going through the LVL floor joist. There's code for how big this hole can be, where it can be drilled. Too big or in the wrong spot, you just ruined an engineered beam. That's the difference between knowing what's right and what's wrong. This drain pipe through the bottom plate. Code says when it's this close to the edge, you need a metal plate to protect it. Why? So nobody drives a nail through your plumbing later. No protection? Wrong. These stairs, every step has to be the same height, give or take 3/8 of an inch. Why? Because when they're different, people trip down the stairs. It's that simple. Your brain expects consistency when walking up the stairs. Bedroom windows need to be big enough to escape through. That's code. Smaller window could trap someone in a fire. See where this sheathing meets the ground? Code says 6 inches minimum clearance. Otherwise, you get rot, termites, moisture problems. That gap, that's your protection. This is what we teach at InterNACHI. Not just memorizing the rules, but understanding why they exist. Because when you know the why, you can spot problems anywhere. Every code started with someone getting hurt. That's why this matters. That's why the best inspectors get trained at InterNACHI's college, the only home inspector college on the planet, at internachi.edu.